How to fix TikTok profile views option not showing. What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial I'm going to be guiding you through a process on how you can fix this problem. So the first thing that you want to do is see if you have the option available or not. So you can find this option right here if you open your app. And once your app is open, what you want to do is simply tap on your profile at the bottom right of your screen. So just tap on your profile and it will take you to your profile. Now just tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. Now from here head over to privacy, and if you scroll down you will see the profile views option right here. But if this option is not available to you, then what you can do is follow these steps. First thing first, you want to head over to your TikTok's app info, and from here just scroll down to storage, clear cache, and from here head over to permissions, and from here allow all of these permissions because this is necessary for the app to run smoothly. And finally head over to battery and make sure it's not on restricted, because if it's on restricted then the phone won't allow the app to run smoothly. Make sure it's on optimized or unrestricted. And now finally what you can do is head over to your Play Store and then search for TikTok. And once you search for it, make sure that your app is up to date. So if you see an update button right here instead of open, just tap on update and your app should be running smoothly after this update, and your profile view option will be shown at the top right of your profile. So just tap on it and you will see the list of people that have recently viewed your profile. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you on the next one.